Greetings. On today's tech tip, I'm going to show you how to use a digital task manager to help you stay organized and leverage technology to help you follow up on tasks that we all have to do on a day to day basis. I've been using this application for over 10 years. It's an amazing app. It works across platforms. That's why I love it. In other words, it's one place where you can go and keep track of all the things you have to follow up on. Whether you're using your email on the computer, your email on your phone, whether you're just following up with basically anything, you can use this application to keep track of those things. So let me show you what it's how it works. First of all, the name of the application is called Todoist, not to-do list. To play on words, just drop the L. There's a website, Todoist. I'm going to log on to the web just to show you how it looks like online. And I will create a sample task. Up with John regarding his project. You can write, of course, any description you'd like. You have the ability of having a date. I think it's really important to add a due date so that things stay on your radar as to when you want to follow up by so they don't fall off the conveyor belt, so to speak. So here I'm going to add the project. I have my Todoist organized by school. You would organize it in a way that makes sense for you. So I'm going to put this for Marquez HPIM, and I click Add Task. Once that's added, here on the left-hand side, when I click on it, you'll see a task that I have from before, and then this task that I have here. So the most powerful part of Todoist is that the data sits across platforms. So if I were to show you my phone right now, you would see this task on there. If I were to show you the iPad that I used, you would see that task on there. But one of the most powerful parts of Todoist, at least for me, is how it integrates with a variety of applications. I'll show you how it integrates with Outlook. That way, when you're getting your emails, you can actually assign tasks to them and follow up with them through Todoist. So for example, let's say this was a task that I needed to follow up on. I've already installed Todoist here. If you don't have it installed on yours, you just click on these three little dots here. You go down here and you click on Get Add-ons, and then you just simply add it. But right now I already have mine added. So I click on Add to Todoist. I'm already signed in, so I give myself a date. Let's give myself to next week. And I'm going to put myself here with HPM, and I'll give it, second priority. Click Add the task. And now I'm going to go back here and do a refresh, and you will see that I added this task. Now, what's cool about Todoist is that it creates a hot link in the task. So for example, if I click on this, it goes straight to that email so that I can remind myself as to why I marked this as a follow-up in the first place. And so that's how it ties in together. So if I'm on my phone, I click on that link, it takes me straight to the email. If I'm on my iPad, I click on the link and it does the same thing. So one-stop shop to follow up on tasks. Todoist has a bunch of different features, including those time and date reminders. One of the cool features also is like a location reminder. Say that you want the application to remind you to follow up on a task when you get to a particular location. You can set it up that way. That and countless other things. As I said, I've been using this for over 10 years. It's been working great for me. If you find it useful, I hope you enjoy. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next tech tip.